Many Indian families think their biggest financial is not earning enough money. But that is not always true. The real problem is that most families react to financial situations instead of planning for them. For example, when the stock market falls, people become worried and sell their investments. When a family member becomes sick, they suddenly realize their health insurance is not enough. When children grow up, parents find that education costs are much higher than expected. As retirement gets closer, many people realize they have not saved enough. Job loss or salary cuts can also create stress if there is no financial backup. These are all examples of financial reactions. Instead of reacting, we should plan in advance. A recent research study found something very interesting. Families who worked with a financial planner had much stronger financial security than those who did not. Families that planned ahead were also much more prepared for emergencies than families without a financial plan. This shows that planning makes a big difference. In India, many people spend a lot of time asking questions like, which mutual fund is the best? Which stock will give double returns? Should I buy gold now? Is this the right time to invest? These questions are important, but they are not the most important. Before thinking about high returns, every family should ask, do I have enough emergency savings to cover 6 to 12 months of expenses? Is my health insurance enough to pay for treatment in a good hospital? Does my family have enough life insurance if something happens to me? Am I investing according to my financial goals? Will my retirement savings be enough after considering inflation? Do I review my financial plan every year? These questions help build a strong financial future. Remember, earning high returns is good, but being financially prepared is even better. A good financial plan helps you grow your wealth over time. More importantly, it protects you when unexpected problems happen. It allows you to face emergencies without giving up your long-term goals. Many people believe that only rich families need financial planning. This is a common misunderstanding. The truth is that every earning family needs a financial plan, whether their income is small or large. Life is uncertain. We cannot predict illness, job loss, accidents, or sudden expenses. But we can prepare for them. A financial plan is not just about making money. It is about creating security, reducing stress, and protecting your family's future. So, don't wait for a financial emergency to start planning. Start today, because investment products help you build a portfolio, but a financial plan helps you build a secure life.